what? What's that?
I just put.
It's makeup. See, there's a makeup. What's this? This for the lips, Atarah. Lip gloss and the eyes, for the eyes.
For me?
Yes, for you. It's for you. What's that? Can you open that? It's for the nails.
Okay.
Yes. Put in the nails. Wow, Atarah is putting on the nails. Be careful. Wow, Atarah is putting in the nails. Wow. So lovely. Mommy will put. Wait. Mommy will put on the other hand. Can you give me the other hand? Wow. Put it here. Place it there. Yan. Mommy will put in Atarah's nails. Wow, see? It's color what? Color blue. Cannot see. See? Wow. Close it. So, Atarah have cuticles for the there's blue and red. Oh, that one? You want one? Oh, lipstick. This one, red, this pink. Wow, Atarah is putting. Oh, you look at the mirror. Wow. Normal. It's nice. Can I see? Do like that. Close it. Wow, Atarah have makeup. This is for the. Let's open this up. This is for the eyes. You want mommy to put in the eyes? Here. Put it in the eyes here.
Only me.
Only you. Put in the eyes. This one is kid safe. This one is for the lips.
What's this one?
Which one? Oh, you put in the lips. Go. Atarah's makeup.
This one.
That one is for the eyes. If you want to use this, this one. Not this one. For the eyes. Wow. What happened to your face? What happened to your face? Go. Then this one is for the cheeks. Use this. Use this brush. This is brush for the cheeks. Oh, pink. This one pink. Put it here. Wow. Wow, you like the makeup? Wow, Atarah's makeup. Wow, you like it? You like it? Can I see the face? Wow, ganda naman ang baby ni Mommy. So pretty baby. Bye-bye. for the eyes.
Not this.
Wow, you like it? Like your makeup? Wow, see the princess makeup. This one for the cheeks.
I like this one. You can get this one.
Yes, this one is for the nails, see? Red, blue, pink.
Pink for me.
And the lipsticks is pink and red and pink. See? Wow, nice makeup.
You can
Atarah have a lot of makeup.
I can put this one
Tomorrow.
there.
Tomorrow, you put it there.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we can put this one. And you can put this there.
See the nails of Atarah? Can you see the nails of Atarah? Wow, what a beautiful nails. See?
Stop touching my nails.
Stop touching your nails.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now it can be gone.
Stop touching my nails. Okay. Wow. Wow, my princess. It's her own
This
makeup.
one.
Huh?
Can put this one.
Oh, tomorrow. Wow, see? You can close it. And bye-bye. Bag. You can make a bag. Wow, bye-bye, Atarah. Bye-bye.